pay homage to the Buddha by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times before start our Dhamma talk. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Dear faithful Dhamma devotees, dear brothers and sisters in the Dhamma, today we are going to discuss but the second sutta under the Sagga Katha, the history of heaven. Actually, this is one of the Vimanavattu. Vimanavattu means but the place of the happy destination. The one of the Brahmin young, his name we call Chatta. Now, today we are going to discuss Chatta Manavaka Vimanavattu, the history of Brahmin son Chatta. Okay, today's our chapter. According to the commentary also, explaining the background of this sutta, especially now we are going to start the mention of Chatta Brahman Yot, the son, Chatta Manavaka Vattu. The blessed one was staying at Savatthi in Jetaguru. Now we know about the Jetavana monastery. Now, at that time, a Brahmin son, Chatta, the one of the Brahmin son, his name we call Chatta, who had finished his studies under Brahman Pokkarasati at Ukkatta city. Yeah, that young man, he went to study under the one teacher we call Brahmin Pokkarasati in Ukkatta city. After finish his study, then he asked from his teacher, dear teacher, now I already finished my study. What can I offer to you? Which kind of thing I have? What do you want? What kind of thing I had to offer? At that time, the teacher also told to him, after finish education, he must offer 1,000 kahapan, the 1,000 bronze coin. Okay, and after that, he had gone home to Setavya, his hometown we call Setavya, and got his teacher's fee of 1,000 kahapana from his parents. Now, after he went to his hometown and he met his parents and already explained, he want to get teacher's fee. How much? 1,000 kahapan. And had set out to Ukkatta city to pay him. Now, actually, after receive this all kahapana coins, he went to Ukkatta city to pay to teacher. Actually, some of the thief heard about that. The thief. Now the young boy already received 1,000 kahapana and he going to Ukkatta city alone. Then the some of the thief, they want to heard of this and plotted to kill and plunder. They want to kill and take back his thing. Actually, the youth in the way. Now, actually, the young man stay alone on the way. At that time, the thief they were thinking to take back the old money and to kill him. Actually, the blessed one imaging from the attainment of great compassion, set out early and sat under a tree on the road the youth would take. Now, actually, our Lord Buddha every early morning is practicing the Mahakaruna attainment, Mahakaruna Samapatti, and he saw his happening. At that time, the Lord Buddha stay under the one tree nearby his way. The youth passing by, he asked him his mission. Now the Lord Buddha, after met him, asked him, where are you going? What are you doing alone? Like this. Then he already explained everything. After that, Lord Buddha asked one question from him. Asked him, did he know the 3 refuge and 5 precepts? Actually, Lord Buddha know today is his last day. The thief are going to kill him. And Lord Buddha want to give some kusala chitta for him, especially 3 refuge and 5 precepts. After that, he can get the good destination after die. This is the youth dining. The blessed one taught them for him to learn. Now, after that, Lord Buddha start to teach the 3 refuge. Actually, the brief way. Now, usually when we are take the 3 refuge, always we follow Buddhang Saranang Gacchami, Dhamman Saranang Gacchami, Sanghang Saranang Gacchami. The second time, third time. But according to that sutta, and Lord Buddha explained 3 stanza, special 3 stanza, teach him regarding for 3 refuge. Okay, this 3 stanza very, very important. Nowadays in Sri Lanka, every school student after before leave the school, they all are together reciting this 3 gatha. 3 gatha. Actually, the sometime after reciting those 3 gathas, very well good protection for us, for our when we are going somewhere alone, or maybe something happen on the way, very easy to save our life. This is a 3 gathas, very, very important. Okay, first of all, before going to find the meaning, better we recite 3 gatha all together. Okay, if you can show the notes, no? Yo vadatang pavaro manujesu sakya muni bhagava kata kiccho paragato balaviriya samangi tang sugatang saranatta mupemi raga viraga manejama sokang dhamma masankata mappati kula madurami mang pagunang suvibhattang dhammami mang saranatta mupemi yattacha dinna mahapala maho chatusu suchesu purisa yugesu attacha puggala dhamma dasate sanghami mang saranatta mupemi. Okay, now the mupehi also can. Tang sugatang saranatta mupehi, dhamma mimang saranatta mupehi, sangham mimang saranatta mupehi. Okay, now they had a very good and deep meaning inside the gatha. The yo vadatang pavaro manujesu. The brief meaning, he who is the most glorious of speaker among men. Now see, because our Lord Buddha is a well speaker among the men, among the Deva, among the Brahma, whole the world. Now the whatever beings are living in the world, our Lord Buddha's word, this is a very glorious of speaker. That's why Vadatam Pavaro, his speaks very glorious. Sakya Muni, now we know, no? Our Lord Buddha's, the caste is Sakya, the Sakyan sage, Sakya Muni. Sakya Muni. Bhagava Katha Kicho, the Lord, his taste done. Whatever he have to make some duty or maybe something, everything he already done. Example, in the commentary also mentioned, whatever he had done. With Sotapatti Magga moment, whatever defilement he eradicate, he everything done. And with the Sotapatti Magga same way, Sakadaga Magga moment, Anagam Arahatta Magga moment, whatever defilements, everything he destroy. That's why whatever he have to do, everything he already done. After that, explaining the Paragato Balavirya Samangi. Paragato, who had gone beyond. This meaning the para is we call Nibbana. Para means Nibbana. The similar word Nibbana. Now he already attained Nibbana by himself without any teacher support. That's why Paragato, he already had gone beyond Paragato. Balavirya Samangi, he's finished with strength and energy. He already fulfilled, no? He has the wonderful 10 types of knowledge power and energy power. Okay? There's the Balavirya Samangi. Bala meaning the 10 physical energy and the knowledge energy. And Virya meaning 4 Sammapadhana, 4 we call the energy, 4 type of energy. Okay, he already has. Tang Sugatang Saranattam Upemi. Come for refuge to this welfare Sugata. Now well gone. The come for refuge to this Sugata Lord Buddha. Okay, this is a brief meaning. Next one, the Raga Viraga Manejama Sokam. There are a few words together combined. Raga Viragang Anejam Asokam. There are 3 words. Example, Raga Viragang Anejam Asokam. This is the similar word for the Dhamma. This Dhamma. That's why the Dhamma Masankata Mappatikulan. The second sentence, please look at. Dhammang Asankatang Appatikula. Dhammang Asankatang Appatikula. Okay, they combine together, no? Dhammang Asankatang Appatikula. Madurami Mang Pagunang Suvibhattam. Madurang Pagunang Suvibhattam. Madurang Pagunang Suvibhattam. Dhammam imang saranatta mupehi. Dhammang imang saranattam upehi. Okay. This is how we divide the word. Now, to this Dhamma, without passion, the Raga Viraga. Raga Viraga meaning no more Raga, destroy the Raga, cut off the Raga. Actually, Raga Viraga we call it the Arya Magga, the path of the Nibbana. Because any of the who is the noble person, everyone must be fulfilled the eightfold path. Anejam asokam, without desire, without grief. Okay, no more tanha, no more soka, the drift. Asankatang appatikula. unconstructed, not disagreeable. Madhuram is a sweet. Pagunam, well expounded. Suvibhattam, and analyzed. The well analyzed. Now, actually, the Dhamma meaning we call four path knowledge and four frozen knowledge with Nibbana. There are 9 Dhamma, no? 9 Lokottara Dhamma, Supamandin Dhamma. Actually, they're calling the qualities of 9 type of Supamandin Dhamma. Again, this the Raga Viragam, Anejam, Asokam, Asankatam, Appatikolam, Madhuram, Pagunam, Suibhatta. This is the few, all are the similar and explanation word about the Dhamma. Okay. Dhamma mimang saranatta mupemi. Come for refuge to this Dhamma, this Lokottara Dhamma. Okay, next one. Yattacha dinna mahapala mahu chatusu suchisu purisa yugesu attacha puggala dhamma dasate sanghamimang saranatta mupehi. Actually, the yattacha dinna mahapala mahu. Yattacha dinnam mahapalang ahu. And where they have said, great is the fruits of giving to those pure men in couple 4 and 8 are these men who are seized of Dhamma. All are the together meaning. No? Yattacha dinna mahapala mahu. The chatusu sutisu purisa yugesu. Okay. The someone want to offer something to get the great benefit, great fruits. That group is called a couple of 4 and 8 are these men. Means that there are 8 Arya Puggala, no? There's a Attacha Puggala Dhamma Dasate. There are 8 are these men who are seized of Dhamma. Who is seeing the Lokuttara Dhamma? Those are person we call Sangha, Arya Sangha, noble Arya Sangha. Then the come for refuge to this order Dhamma, Sangha. Okay. After he received these 3 Gatha from Lord Buddha, then he study and he keep his heart and he always start to recite. And after that also he studied the 5 precepts also. And he always keep in heart and he start to journey. The thieves attack and kill him and taking his money. Okay, now on the way, those are the thieves attack and kill him and take back all the money. As he walked alone, line up these things in his heart. But he was reborn in the realm of the 33 with the 30 yojana mentioned, throwing light for 20 yojanas. Okay, now you see, because after take the 3 refuge, and then practice take the 5 precept, and he start to journey, and he always keep those are the kusala, those are the kusala chitta, and then on the way the thieves are killed and take back the money. Then immediately after die, he reborn in the Tavatinsa world, Tavatinsa loka, Tavatinsa Deva loka, he reborn. And they mention about his area, the heaven area is the 30 yojana mentioned, throwing light for 20 yojana, because the light appear from his body, going back to 12 yojana, but his area is 30 yojana, very big area. There actually in the commentary also mentioned there are a lot of the female deities and the supporters, the whatever things, everything appear around this area because of the power of his Kusala Chitta. Okay, Kusala Chitta. Actually, after that, the men of Setavya finding his dead body, and they told to his parents. In the same way, those are the men of the Ukkata. Also, they also told to the teacher of the Brahmin Pokkara Sati about his death. At that time, three groups assembled here. The one group from the Setavya, one group from the Ukkata, another group is Ichanangala. There are three villages, three group of the villages. They are gathered to that place. This is the time they start to funeral ceremony was held. Okay, then the Lord Buddha. This is the time to come the Lord Buddha, and the blessed one went to that place. At that time, the Chatta, it's Devaputta, no, this is the one deity, no. The Chatta might have the opportunity of coming to show himself and so reveal to many the deed he had done. Now, Lord Buddha also went there. The deity of the Chatta also came back to that place. Chatta thought, so too, and came with his mention. And when people wondered, is this a Deva or Brahma? Because when the Chatta came to that place, because the radiance appeared from his body, no? Then after seeing those are radiance or color or shining, the people was thinking, Deva or Brahma came here. After that, the blessed one, to make clear the deed of merits the Deva Yod had done, asked him. Then after that, Lord Buddha want to make clear everything, and Lord Buddha asked him whatever merits if have you done. This Lord Buddha asked him. At that time, Lord Buddha asked with the Gatha. Okay. Also, there also the lot of Gatha. I try to recite to give the meaning one by one. Nataha tapati nabhe suriyo chandochana bhasati na pusso yataha atulamidang mahabhasam konutwang tidiva mahing upaga. Not thus shines the sun in the sky, no other moon, or the Pussa star bright as it is incomparable, great radiance. Who are you who have come to the earth from the Deva world? Because now this light, this shining, not the sun shining, not the moon shining, or maybe not the star shining. This is one of the Deva. Then that's why I ask, who is you? The Lord Buddha, I start to ask. Chindati ransi pabhankarasa sadika vesati yojanani abha pratyimpi yatha divang karoti parisuddhang vimalang subhang vimana. And the radiance extending over 20 yojanas cut off his ray of the light giver. The far mentioned perfectly pure and stainless makes even the night appear like day. Okay, you understand me, no? Bahu paduma vichitra pundarikang vokinnang kusumehi neka chittang Araja viraja hema jala channang akase tapati yathapi suryo. With many a lotus of diverse shade and water lily strewn with blooms and variously decked, covered with the net of dustless, spotless gold. It shines in the sky like the very sun. Okay, this is give some example to explain about the shining. Rattambara Pita Vasa Sabhi Agaru Piyangu Chandanusa Dahi Kanchana Tanusanni Bhatta Chahi Paripurang Gaganangva Tarakabhi. Draped in red and yellow garment, fragrant with aloe, piyangu and sandalwood. They with far complexion radiant as gold, fit it to capacity like star the firmament sky. Okay. Naranariyo bahuketta neka vanno kusuma vibhosita bharanetta sumana anila pamonjita pavanti surabhing tapaniya chitata vitata suvanna channa. Here and men and women of diverse aspect, here are the joyful with blossom and trinket decorate, no? What fitting fragrance released by the wind, various ornament and covered over with gold. Kissa yam sanyamasa ayang vipako kenasi kamma paleni pale nidupapanno yatachate adigata midang vimanang tadanupadang avachasi inga putto. Of what self-restraint is this the fruition? By the fruits of what deed are you risen here? And how came you to this mention? When asked, please tell step by step how it was. Now the Lord Buddha asked him this way, explained about first about this the radiance of the his body and whatever kusala, whatever wholesome deed have you done to get like this life, like this place. Okay, this is a meaning. Then after that, the tato de puttu imahi gatai bakasi. The Deva Yot explained in these verses. Now after that, they also start to explain whatever he done before the date. Okay. Sayamida pate samicha manavena sattanusasi anukampamanu tava ratanavarasa dhamman sutva karissamiti bruvitta chattu. Since the teacher had come across the Brahmana youth here on the path and had admonished him with compassion. And since Chatta, having heard Dhamma from the Lord Buddha, the Supreme Jewel said, I will do it. Now he starts to explain. Jinavara pavarang upehi saranang dhammanchapi tateva bhikkhu sangha noti patamang avochahang bhante pachate vachanan tateva kasi. I approached the glorious conqueror for refuge and Dhamma too, likewise the order of monk. First I said, no, Venerable Sir. Afterward, I did your bidding faithfully. Okay, now this is a meaning. After that, he start going to explain about the five precepts. Machapana vadang vividang charasu asuting nahipanesu asanyatang avanna insu sappanya Noti patamang avochahang bhante pachate vachanam tateva kasik. If not in any way impurely hurting any breathing things. Okay. 4 wise men do not please lack of restraint towards breathing things. First, I said, no, Venerable Sir. Afterward, I did your bidding faithfully. Because Lord Buddha mentioned to don't kill, no? Don't kill the living beings. This way, explain. Then after that, he also start full the practice. Next one. Macha parajanas rakhitam hi adatabba manyito adinna noti patamang avochaham bhante pachate vachanam tateva kasi. And take not what another man does guide. Not thinking what is not given is to be taken. First I said no, Venerable Sir. Afterward I did your bidding faithfully. Now Lord Buddha mentioned, don't take whatever ungiven things. He also practice. Mava parajanasa rakkitayo parabhariya agama anariyameta noti patamang avochaham bhante pachate vachanam tateva kasi. And going to another's wives, to those guided by another man. This is unreal. This is no good. This is ignorable. First I said no, Venerable Sir. Afterward I did your bidding faithfully. But the Kamesh Michachara, no, free from the sensual misconduct. Macha vitata anyata abhani nahi musavadang avanna insu sappanya noti patamang avochaham bhante pachate vachanam tateva kasi. And do not speak untruth. What is otherwise? 4 wise men do not praise lying speech. First I said no, Venerable Sir. Afterwards I did your bidding faithfully. Now Lord Buddha explained about the musavada. He just follow, he not lie anything. Okay, Lord Buddha already explained about that. Next one. Yenacha purisas apeti sanya tang majjang parivajjesu sabba noti patamang avochaham bhante pachate vachanam tateva kasi. And that is strong liquor by which his perception leave a man achieve avoid it all. First I said no, Venerable Sir. Afterwards I did your bidding faithfully. Okay, now he already explained about the private precept because he follow the 5 discipline rule. Okay. Swahang ida pancha sikkaha karitva patipajjitva tathagatasya dhamme dvepata magamasing chora madhye temantatta vadinsu bhoga hetu. Indeed, I carried out the 5 trainings here, faring along in the Tathagatas Dhamma, came among thieves on a path between 2 village boundaries. They slave even killed me there for the sake of my position. Now, after he mentioned, after I received the 3 refuge and 5 sila, then we are all this training and thinking, and on the way the thieves came and killed and take back my things. This is a meaning. After that, ettaka midang anusarami kusalang tato parang name vijjati anya tena sucharitena kamunahang uppanno tidivesu kama kami. They explain very good one. No? To this extent, I recall skill, the kusala, wholesomes. Beyond that, no other. This is my kusala. Only take refuge and take 5 precepts. exist for me, because after that no more kusala. Because of good conduct, I rose through karma among the 30 rejoins at will. Because of this purity karma, giving the good destination for me to get the heaven life. Passa kana muhutta sanyamassa anudhamma patipattiya vipakam jalamiva yasasa samekkamana bahukamang pihayanti hina kamma. Explain, behold the fruition of faring along in accordance with Dhamma and of the practice of restraint for a moment, and instant, while many with lesser joys longs for my gain, seeing me shining as it were in glory. Okay. Passa katipayaya desanaya sugatinchami gato sukancha patto jechate satatang sunanti dhammang manyete amatam pusanti kema. Explaining, beyond see through the such a brief teaching, I am gone to a good destination and attain to happiness, to mythics. Those who hear Dhamma constantly must teach deathlessness the secure. Appampi katang mahavipakang vipulang hoti tathagatasya dhamme passa kata punyataya chatto obhaseti pataving yathapi suryu. See, even a little done, a little kusala done in the Tathagatas Dhamma is of giving great fruition, because he already done a small thing, but he get the very big great anisansa. A widespread fruit beyond, behold how chatta through merits done illumines the earth even as does the sun. Okay. After kimida kusalang kimacharema icche kehi sameccha mantayanti te mayang punareva ladda manu sattang patipanna viharem silavantu. What is this skill, kusala, that we may do? So some take counsel together. Should we obtain human stage again? Let us live practicing the moral habits as we fare alone. Bahukaro anukampakocha sattha itime sati agama diva divase swahang upagatomhi satya namang anukampasu punapi sunim dhamma. And the teacher, being of great service and compassion, came to me earlier in the day when I was in this flight. When did I approach him who is the true to his name be compassionate again, so that I came here Dhamma. Okay. Now I think everyone understand, no? Yechi the pajahanti kama ragam bhavaraganu sayanche pahaya moham nachate punna mupenti gabba seyang parinibbana gatahi siti bhuta. Now after that he going to explain about his noble life. Those who here get right of attainment to sense pleasure and of latent base of attainment of existence and of confused delusion, these come no more to bed of warm for cool become they have gone to final nibbana. After now, I think because he already explained everything. Then after that, actually, between his stanza, Lord Buddha give some brief Dhamma talk and explain Four Noble Truth. And after that, he became the Sotapatti. And his parents also became Sotapatti, and lot of people also understood the Dhamma. Then after receive the Sotapatti, and then he start to practice, and he became the Anagami. That's why after became Anagami, he explained the last stanza. Yechida Pajahanti Kamaraga, etc. This Gatha explained after became Anagami. Then Iti Deva Putto Attano Ariya Sota Samapanna Bhavam Pavedinto Anupadi Sesai Nibbana Dhatuya Desanai Kotang Gaitwa Bhagavantam Vanditwa Padakinang Katwa Bhikkhu Sanghasa Apachiting Dasetwa Mata Pituro Apu Chitwa Devalokameva Gatu. So when the teacher had addressed the assembly, the Deva Yot announcing his establishment in the Aryan stream, saluted the Lord Buddha, and taking leave of his parents returned to that Deva world. Okay. Now, I think you also understand about the Chattamanavaka Gatha and Chattamanavaka history. Now, we also want to get the meaning. Just he follow 3 refuge and he take only 5 present. Only small and very little kusala he had done. Because of this kusala, give a lot of result for him to get the good destination, to become the Deva. After receive Deva life, he also start to listen and practice the Lord Buddha's teaching, and he became, first of all, he became Sotapatti. After that, he became the Anagami. Okay, this is his way. Now, we also have to understand whatever kusala we are doing. This kusala is small or big, not important. The important thing, you have to keep your mind. The good, small or big kusala, you have to keep your mind. You have to always think again and again. At that time, your kusala become mature to get the good life in future. And always those are kusala giving good power, energy power to get the good destination. Anyway, all of us always after listening Dhamma, practicing Dhamma, and always doing the kusala, always aware practicing the kusala. Those are kusala, we are always giving happiness, good happiness, and good intention for us, and to cultivate the wholesome again and again. Okay, but this is a Chattamanavaka Vimanavattu. I think that if you have anything to discuss regarding this lessons, then we can discuss, because maybe next week also we can start the next sutta, because not enough time to explain other next sutta also. But anyway, you have to keep your mind, you have to by heart this 3 stanza, very important, no? Because these three stanza always giving good protection for us. Jo vadatang pavaro manujesu sakya muni bhagava kata kiccho paragato balaviriya samange tang sugatang saranatta mupehi raga viraga manejama sokang dhamma masankata mappatikola madura mimang pagunang suvibhattang dhamma mimang saranatta mupehi yatta cha dinna mahaphala mahu chatususutesu purisa yugesu atta cha puggala dhamma dasate sangamimang saranatta mupehi. We have to try to always recite the early morning and before sleep also, and before start your journey, before leave your home. from your home. At that time also you better you recite these 3 gatha. Okay. And please, anything if you have, please you can discuss.
Bante, maybe can I request Bante chant these 3 gathas?
Yo vada tang pavero mano jesu sakya muni bhagava kata kicho Bharagato balaviriya samangi tang sugatang saranatanta mupehi raga viraga manejana sokang dhamma masangpata mapatikulang madhurami mang pagunang suvi bhatantang dhammami mang saranatanta mupehi yattha cha dinna mahappala maho chatu suci su purisa yugesu Atpacha Pungala Dhamma Dasati Sanghami Mang Saranatanta Mupehi Sadhu Sadhu Sadhu.
Bante, for this chatta,
Yes.
Chatta, I think also he should have accumulated a lot of paramis for him to attain. Is that correct? Yes.
Yes. Because he already accumulated a lot of force in the past life, but this time, his lifespan very short.
Yes.
That's why our Lord Buddha give the one kusala mind for him to get the good destination. After that, he received the Dhamma, understood the Dhamma.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. The sharing means repeat after me. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanas paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu sadhu sadhu sadhu. May all of you be healthy. May all of you be free from all suffering and attain nibbana soon. Sadhu sadhu.